your exclusive 7-storm team forecast.
Greetings and welcome back to the show, everyone. Well, we did have a bout of some heavy flurries move through the region in the last hour here on the sky cam. The sleep tight weather cam now showing mainly dry conditions out there. We still have the clouds and we still have the cold, and we're going to see that chance for flurries continue on through tonight. Let's take a look at the radar with the satellite imagery, and we can still see that north flow continuing across much of the region and much of the tri-states. Bouts of showers of snow, some flurries moving down. Some areas, especially south and east of the Quincy area, picked up some minor accumulations of around an inch to 2 inches overnight last night into this morning, and now we're going to go ahead and see that trend finally start to wind down later on tonight as high pressure will build in finally across the region just in time for the weekend. But the clouds are going to be tough to scour out. We'll go with some sun this weekend, the key word there being some, probably later on, late tomorrow afternoon on into the early evening before the sun sets. We'll see a little bit of sun, and then again on Sunday before high clouds move in with our next system, which is due in here early next week. But the weekend will stay cold. We're going to see highs well below average for both Saturday and Sunday. 27 right now, clouds out at the airport. The winds are out of the north at 10 miles per hour. They've been out of the north for much of the day, and we do have cold air coming down from Canada through Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin. Chicago is at 26. It's 31 in St. Louis. Locally, 27 here in town, 30 up in Keokuk, 27 in Macomb, 30 down in Pittsfield, as well as over in Hannibal. That circulation continues out of the north across our region. We still have areas of snow showers down towards St. Louis, back down in the Ozarks of Missouri, and another couple fine batches moving down out of southern Iowa and northwestern Illinois. We'll go with that chance of some snow showers through this evening. Later on tonight, though, the clouds will start to break up just enough, it looks like, to allow temperatures to fall back down into the upper teens for overnight lows. And look at the maps here showing us by Saturday around 4 o'clock, a partly cloudy sky expected, and then as we move on into Sunday, we'll keep it dry with partly cloudy skies continuing, and then we'll have another system move in here for early next week on Monday afternoon into Tuesday. That one could bring us a little bit of light snow. Some flurries tonight, a little clearing later, 18 for an overnight low. Those winds stay out of the north. Then for tomorrow, I'm going optimistic here, showing that sun there. It's more of a mostly cloudy sky, becoming partly sunny at times in the afternoon. It stays chilly with a high of 31 degrees. The next few days show temperatures warming to 35 on Sunday with partly cloudy skies. That rain-snow mix moves in for Monday with a high somewhere in the upper 30s. Later on Monday night into Tuesday, looks like there could be a transition eventually to a little bit of light snow, with the snow system winding down on Tuesday as a couple inches of accumulation. Temperatures, though, in the 30s on Wednesday, and then as we head into Thursday and Friday, a little bit of a warm-up. As a matter of fact, I think there's many of us that could see temperatures right around 50 degrees by later on next Friday with mostly cloudy skies. So a nice warming trend for the end of next week, and that will start to make it feel at least a little bit more like we'd like to see March feel.
Be interesting to see how many of those snow piles are left after a day or two of 50-degree weather.
We'll do a little melting, that's for sure.
Thanks, Mike.